Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Infiniti QX60. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. Then, access the vehicle's infotainment system and navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Select the option to add a new device. Your phone should appear in the list. Choose it and confirm the pairing code that appears on both screens. This simple process will establish a secure wireless connection for calls and audio. For a more integrated experience, you can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply connect your smartphone to the Infiniti QX60 USB port using a quality cable. The system should automatically detect your phone and prompt you to activate CarPlay or Android Auto. Follow the instructions on the screen to grant necessary permissions. This allows you to access navigation, music, and messaging apps directly through your car's display, enhancing your driving convenience. If you encounter connection issues, don't worry, there are simple fixes. Try restarting both your phone and the Infiniti QX60 infotainment system. Sometimes, a fresh start resolves minor glitches. You might also need to delete any existing phone pairings from both your car and your phone's Bluetooth settings, then attempt to reconnect from scratch. If you're using a USB cable, ensure it's not damaged and is securely plugged into the correct port. Once connected, explore advanced features like voice commands for hands-free operation, allowing you to make calls or play music safely. Your Infiniti QX60 may also offer Infiniti in Touch services, providing additional connectivity options and remote access features. Remember to keep your vehicle's software updated, as this ensures optimal compatibility with the latest phone operating systems and can introduce new functionalities. Enjoy a seamless and connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.